Hello, everyone. I'm David Alton Clark, the investing group leader for the Winter Warrior Investor here on Seeking Alpha. I'm going to quickly show you how I use the premium platform to find and analyze stocks for the service. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to go in and take a look at one of my favorite holdings, Starwood Properties. Now, when you get to the screen, which is the main page for Starwood Properties, you can see that there's just a vast amount of information available. One thing I like to do when I'm first looking at a stock is to go into the earnings section. So you click on the earnings. Seeking Alpha does a great job of detailed information and due diligence on the earnings. When you pull up this page, I like to take a look at what happened in the last quarter. As you can see, they had some slight misses here. They also have a nice depiction of what's upcoming for the quarterly earnings the next quarter. As you scroll down, you'll see the revisions. It's often good to take a look to see if things are being revised up or revised down for the future quarters. So it's got a nice detail on that. They've also got this nice chart right here that goes over EPS surprises and the estimates for these future quarters, which is really important to check out when you're looking over a new possible entry to your portfolio. They do a really good job with the history of earnings as well. You can go through here and see how things have gone in the past. One of the things that I really like about it is they do a really good job of the transcripts and insights. So you can click on the transcripts and insights button, and they've got the new AI technology where they've got a summary of the recent transcripts. So if you don't have time to listen to or read through the entire transcript, you can use this article here, which gives you the highlights of what happened on the last earnings call, which is really time saver. And then if you want to, you can go in and actually read through the entire earnings call. Also, let me back up. They do a good job of listing off the recent press releases, so you can check out what they said on the press release. They also have the earnings call presentations here where you can pull that up. So it's really just a great hub where you can pull up the actual presentations, the transcripts, the press releases. It's all right here at your fingertips in one place. So this is where I really start with any company that I'm going to possibly invest in, is looking at the transcripts. The second thing would probably be looking over the dividends, because primarily we work with increasing retirement income. And so we have a lot of dividend stocks in the portfolios. So you can look at here and get an idea of the dividend history, safety, growth, yield. Dividend scorecard right here gives you the primary details. So it's really just does a great job of anything that has to do with dividends, earnings. You just can't beat it. So it's a one-stop shop when you're looking for this type of information to do the due diligence on your stocks. So that's what I primarily focus on in the very beginning. I hope you took something new away from how I use the Seeking Alpha premium platform to do research on stocks we own in our service. Don't forget to click on the link below this video to check out my investing group, the Winter Warrior Investor on Seeking Alpha. I hope to see you there soon. Thanks for watching.